Ladies and gentlemen, we shall have the presentation of degrees and diplomas of the class 2020. We shall begin with presenting the degrees to our PhD scholars. Sarvana Rajan PV, School of Law.
The logo of GD Goenka University is from foundation to flight. And those words are true because the university laid a foundation for my PhD in the year 2016. The university has guided me in preparing chapterization and then final submission of my thesis, and now I have come out with flying colors. So from foundation to flight, those words have come true today. Therefore, according to me, the foundation used in the logo is nothing but being down to earth, being deeply grounded, being humane, being humble, being submissive. That is the foundation that will take us to greater heights. That is the flight.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are honored to welcome you to the 6th virtual convocation of GD Goenka University. I am Dr. Anindita Roy Chaudhary, Assistant Professor at GD Goenka University. I shall be the Master of Ceremony this morning. Today, GD Goenka University has reached another important milestone with the convocation of its class of 2020, wherein 887 graduates of bachelor's, PG diploma, master's and PhD programs will be conferred their degrees and diplomas. We are honored to have Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani, as the chief guest. We also have with us today respected Chancellor, GD Goenka University, Mrs. Renu Goenka, Honorable Chairman, Mr. A.K. Goenka, Pro-Chancellor, GD Goenka University, Mr. Nipun Goenka, Director of GD Goenka Group, Mr. Rohit Gujral, and Vice-Chancellor, GD Goenka University, Professor Dr. Tabraiz Ahmed. We warmly welcome everyone present. At the onset of this convocation ceremony, we would like to seek the blessings of the Almighty.
Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
I would now like to introduce you all to the Honorable Chancellor of GD Goenka University, Mrs. Renu Goenka. She is an alumnus of Lady Shri Ram College, Delhi. Mrs. Renu Goenka has been a pioneer in school education and is credited with infusing quality and innovation in this sector by helping create the GD Goenka brand. Her efforts have resulted in a paradigm shift in school education. She has mentored many initiatives of the GD Goenka Group and served in various capacities on different boards from time to time. I now request the Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation of class of 2020 open.
I hereby declare the convocation of class of 2020 open.
Thank you, ma'am. I would now like to introduce you all to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of GD Goenka University, Professor Dr. Tabraiz Ahmed. He is an expert in the area of cyber law, intellectual property rights, energy law and jurisprudence with a background in commercial law. He holds a PhD degree in cyber law and IPR. Professor Dr. Tabrez Ahmed has been in different academic and administrative positions in different universities of international repute for over 2 decades. He is an acclaimed author, blogger, YouTuber, and law academician par excellence. I would now like to request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to deliver the welcome address and present the annual report of the university.
Greetings to all our respected patrons and honorable guests. Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, GD Goenka Group Chairman, Honorable Shri Anjani Kumar Goenka, Honorable Chancellor Mrs. Renu Goenka, Honorable Pro Chancellor Mr. Nipun Goenka, distinguished guests, dear colleagues and my dear students. Hope you are all doing well and keeping safe in these turbulent times. Today at the 6th convocation of GD Goenka University, I am honored and delighted to present GD Goenka University's 2019-20 annual report. The academic year 1920 was yet again a year of achievement for our young but vibrant university. The year witnessed an upgraded strategy to diligently work upon achieving some extra milestones to our journey. A few more steps further in the direction of our aspirations to become a world-class university. Our focus has been to put a major thrust in our recent and current strategic initiatives to touch upon aspects like nurturing and developing a student-centric institution based on its integrity and intense engagement with students to create a conducive teaching and learning environment. The second major initiative has been to foster the holistic growth and development of students by creating opportunities to pursue a comprehensive and routed educational which include possibilities to pursue a range of co-curricular and extracurricular activities that complement classroom-based learning. We also focus on having a solidified, culturally and experientially diverse cohort of students and staff. While the year 1920 started with a great zeal and great initiatives, the later part of this academic year saw an unprecedented event of pandemic that took the whole world by storm. Nevertheless, with the grace of Almighty, we continued to deliver the outcomes based on the goal we had set to fulfill our action-oriented projects. We initiated specific actions in our teaching, learning, research and external engagement endeavors and managed to take them on the digital platform as well as the need of the hour in time of crisis. I must compliment our schools that they not only conducted some amazing knowledge sharing through Uplearn Academy webinars, but also contributed through their various enriching activities at schools and university levels. During this academic year, our schools organized some successful events like CII of India, the International Commercial Arbitration Competition, Red Set, Revelation, Inspire, Reach and many more. It is said that the students are the soul of the university. Here at GD Goenka University too, our students kept the university spirit high. Through the board of student activities, we are proud to see the students blossoming. They come from different disciplines and have made combined efforts with their interest and skills by participating in different co-curricular activities. Our external engagement, both local and international, are being pursued with great vigor and forethought to how it would contribute in our overarching vision. Spreading our wings beyond our domestic horizon, we moved on with the internationalization that lies at the core of the heart of GD Goenka University. The university fostered strategic partnership and signed MOUs with the 33 foreign universities alone in the last half of the year 2019. Some of the ones to mention would be University of California, San Diego, USA, Murdoch University, Australia, and Seneca College, Canada. Today we celebrate the accomplishment of our loving students at the 6th convocation of GD Goenka University. This year we are awarding the degrees to the batch of graduating 887 students that include 24 PhD scholars, 162 postgraduates, 632 undergraduates and 69 diploma students. Continuing with the tradition, this year also we are presenting the Gopi Ram Goenka medals to the students who are made their mark with their remarkable performance in academics and co-curricular put together. The year was eventful with endeavors to touch upon various crucial facets of life that require attention in today's time. For that, we had series of successful events like the blood donation camp, cyber security workshop for faculty and students, workshop on emotional intelligence, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, celebrating the birth anniversary of the great leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, to name a few. But the most spectacular one to mention as a bright feather in the cap of GD Goenka University was the GD Goenka Sohna Marathon, marking the celebration of 25th years of foundation of the GD Goenka group. With this, we not only lived by the age-old saying that health is wealth, but also focused on the social issues. Women's safety as theme of this year's marathon was Run for Women's Safety, envisioned to respect and promote women empowerment and safety. While we welcome the new and old batches through orientation and REVA, we set off our beloved graduating ones through Transcend like all over the years. We design our class engagements to always focus more on learning outcomes rather than teaching and memorization. We encourage peer-to-peer learning based on intense class engagement and group projects, not only in the same domain but also across disciplines through a compulsory newly designed interdisciplinary project. Under the flagship of GD Goenka Business Incubation Center, Udyami Bazaar is one such special project based on event that we organize every year with a view to promote the underlying entrepreneur in our young students, supported by the MSME, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Our Corporate Resource Center CRC at GD Goenka University was established with the aim of building a vibrant industry interface for the university and preparing globally competent graduates to become industry leaders of tomorrow. Like previous years, this year also CRC witnessed a major growth of 32% in bringing in new recruiters, estimated to the approximately 350 plus companies for campus placement. This year also, the placement took place in various industry sectors starting from engineering, IT, management, law, fashion technology, communication, pharma and hospitality, to mention a few. I extend a warm invitation to industry professionals who are part of this convocation that you are welcome to visit the campus and take part in our placement process. Whilst 2019-20 had been a year of massive changes, experimentation, survival and mixed emotions, I thank all the management, my colleagues, staff, partners for their continued contribution to strengthen our foundation to give our students a springboard to take off their professional journey in these difficult times too. Thank you very much. Best wishes to all.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to introduce the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, to this convocation. He has been actively involved in various political and social activities and has also held different honorable cabinet portfolios in the government. I would now like to invite the Vice Chancellor of GD Goenka University, Professor Dr. Tabrez Ahmed, to read out the Vice President's congratulatory message.
I am happy to know that GD Goenka University Gurugram is organizing its 6th convocation online. Imparting quality higher education is vital for India's growth and development, and universities have a major role to play in driving this transformation. The need of the hour is to produce well-rounded and skilled human resources to meet the 21st century requirements. Ever since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, the education sector has been badly affected with the disruption of the normal teaching, learning activities. That this convocation is taking place despite all these challenges shows the commitment of our teachers and students towards the goal of education. I congratulate the students who are passing out and extend my warm greetings to the teachers and the management of GD Goenka University. I wish the convocation ceremony all success. M. Venkaiah Naidu, Vice President of India.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to introduce you all to the chief guest of the 6th convocation of GD Goenka University, the Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani. She was elected to the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament, representing the state of Gujarat, in 2011 and 2017 and to Lok Sabha from Amethi in 2019 general elections. Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani has officiated as the Union Minister for Human Resource Development, Minister for Information and Broadcasting, and Minister for Textiles. She is India's youngest Union Cabinet Minister in the government and the first woman to hold office as Union Minister for Human Resource Development and as Union Minister of Textiles. She has previously served in the organization in various posts such as National Secretary, Member of the BJP National Executive, Vice President of BJP Maharashtra Youth Wing, BJP Maharashtra State Secretary, National Vice President and as National President of BJP Women's Wing. Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani has significantly and successfully pursued Permanent Commission for Women in the Indian Army by facilitating legal aid to women officers. She has also launched Saksham, the first ever vision document released by any political organization in India, which underlines policies, programs and implementation tools for the upliftment of the differently abled in India. In the 126th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union, Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani was unanimously elected as a member representing the Asia-Pacific region to the task force responsible for establishing the first ever committee for young parliamentarians in the IPU, and also elected by member nations as rapporteur for the Standing Committee on Sustainable Development, Finance and Trade. The World Economic Forum has named Mrs. Irani as the Young Global Leader from India for the year 2015. I would now like to invite the chief guest of the 6th convocation of GD Goenka University to deliver the convocation address.
The GD Goenka University and its brilliant students today have a momentous day. Yes, a day which you will remember because today begins a new chapter for the rest of your lives. Amongst the 887 students who graduate today are many dreams and aspirations that are desperate to spread their wings and fly high. My compliments to all the students who pass out today and their families who have trusted GD Goenka University with the lives of their children. I hope that you have a very successful future, but also a future in which you find time to partake in social activities that help build a stronger tomorrow for our country. My best wishes even to the faculty and the staff members who have ensured the flag of GD Goenka Universities flies high. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall have the presentation of degrees and diplomas of the class 2020. We shall begin with presenting the degrees to our PhD scholars. Joseph Aristotle Sylvian, School of Law. Ram Shankar V, School of Law. Sarvana Rajan PV, School of Law.
The logo of GD Goenka University is from foundation to flight. And those words are true because the university laid a foundation for my PhD in the year 2016. The university has guided me in preparing chapterization and then final submission of my thesis, and now I have come out with flying colors. So from foundation to flight, those words have come true today. Therefore, according to me, the foundation used in the logo is nothing but being down to earth, being deeply grounded, being humane, being humble, being submissive. That is the foundation that will take us to greater heights. That is the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates of class of 2020 would now be presented for conferment of degrees and PG diplomas. All recipients, please rise and cross your right hand over the chest. Vice Chancellor Sir, I present before you 887 graduates of class of 2020 and request that the degrees and diplomas be conferred upon them.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of GD Goenka University, I hereby confer upon you the academic degree or diploma for which you have individually qualified, and charge you that in your life, by word and deed, you prove yourself worthy of it.
Thank you, sir. May I now request the Registrar to administer the pledge.
All the recipients will now take the pledge. Take the pledge of your respective degrees by repeating after me. I do hereby solemnly pledge that I shall in thought and deed endeavour to be worthy of the degree diploma conferred on me and bring laurels to my alma mater. All the recipients, please take your seats. Hearty congratulations to you all.
Thank you, sir. A round of applause from dignitaries and faculty members of GD Goenka University. I would now like to request the Honorable Chancellor to declare the convocation closed.
I declare the convocation of class of 2020 closed. All the best, dear students. Good afternoon. Namaskar. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you, ma'am. I take this opportunity to thank on behalf of GD Goenka University, Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, Honorable Union Minister for Women and Child Development, Mrs. Smriti Zubin Irani, Chancellor GD Goenka University, Mrs. Renu Goenka, Honorable Chairman Mr. A.K. Goenka, Pro-Chancellor GD Goenka University, Mr. Nipun Goenka, Director of GD Goenka Group, Mr. Rohit Gujral, and Vice Chancellor GD Goenka University, Professor Dr. Tabrez Ahmed. Special thanks to everyone associated with this virtual convocation. Thank you all. Now, I would like to request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. Once again, congratulations to all the graduates of class of 2020. Wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. This is Dr. Anindita Roy Chaudhary signing off.